Accoxi provides bank reconciliation system to the users, and it helps the user to ascertain the differences between the passbook and company book, and also helps to book changes to the accounting records as appropriate. To access the reconciliation form, click on the Accounts menu and select the option Reconciliation. So this is the form of reconciliation in Accoxi. It provides the complete details of multiple bank transactions that are recorded by the user. Let's take a look at which all options are available in this reconciliation form. On the left side of the page, the Select Bank Account option is available. Here user can select the required bank. By clicking on the Select option, the list of created bank details will open and user can select the required bank account. After select the bank account, the transaction details of the selected bank will appear here. The next is the status. In Status menu, user can filter or arrange the transaction on the basis of the status and can search it. Status may be of reconciled, not reconciled, need verification and missing. If the user selects a particular status, then status of that particular transaction will appear on the screen. Next, the transaction details are given in this data table. The first one is the date. It shows the date of the particular transaction. The next is the reference number. It shows the reference number of the transaction. The third one is the voucher type. User can identify each transaction by its voucher type. It shows the exact voucher type of transaction, and it may be of cash withdrawal, deposit or transfer. The third one is the description. It shows the description of the particular transaction. Next to the description is remark. If the user wants to add a remark or short note about the reconciliation of a particular transaction, then it can be done by using this option. Next is the bank date. Bank date is the date that shows on the bank passbook. While reconcile a particular transaction, user can enter the passbook transaction date on this field. The next one is the status. Status column shows the actual status of the bank transaction. Before we reconcile a transaction, the status of the particular transaction always shows as not reconciled. User can set the status of each and every transaction after verify with its bank passbook. By clicking on this field, the Select option will be opened, and here user can select the status as reconciled, not reconciled, need verification and missing. Status reconciled indicates that reconciliation completed transactions. If the user cannot complete a reconcile of a transaction or need verification from others, then the status can be set by need verification. Missing status implies that transaction not reconciled due to missing of anything like amount, reference number, etc. The next one is the debit and credit amount details. It shows the amount details of every transaction. Next, if we selecting a bank account and a particular status, then the bank transactions will open on the basis of the selected status. User can identify the balance of amount on the bottom right side of the page. Here user get the details of balance as per company books, balance as per bank, and amount not reflected in bank. Balance as per company books shows the total balance figure of company account. After reconciliation, the difference amount between company books and bank book will appear on amount not reflected in bank field. User can identify the variation by this. Balance as per bank shows the balance figure of passbook after reconciliation. It should be same as company books, otherwise difference will appear on amount not reflected in bank. On the left side of the page, the opening balance of the selected bank is given here. After the reconciliation, user can save this by using this update option. We have an exit option is here to exit from this page without saving. So these are the details included under reconciliation form. Thank you.